Day 2 of our weekend. Early weekend. It's Friday now. So we can start the weekend. Okay, we're gonna go to Cannery Row. Yes, we are. Jump, dude, jump. Let's see. Go, go, go. Whoa. Whoa, there you go. This is where they jump off. From earlier, we kept seeing people kite gliding or whatever, hang gliding. I don't know what the heck it's called. But they jump off over here. Okay, the window is not the cleanest, so I hope you can see through this.
Take it out.
Take it outside. Let me take it. Stick out my camera on the outside. No, I want my arm. I like my arm.
Alright, then.
That's time to come to Monterey. Friday in the morning. It's empty. It's nice and empty.
Yeah, no problem.
No problem. Oh my gosh, you gotta say that. It's nice and quiet. Nobody's here. Let's go here. Favorite spot. Need some coffee. Their Easter stuff is out. Break time. Okay, watch, these people are gonna try to race. I don't know what they're gonna do, but okay, our view while I drink my coffee. This bird just stood right here, right in front of me, inches away from us. Apparently it's not scared of people. You know you're getting old when you check out succulents.
What? It's sugar! Yay!
Oh, the diabetic wants to come in here. Yes, she does. Let's go in here. This is what she's wanting, okay.
This one or this one?
Okay.
This one or this one?
Okay, let's see. Moment of truth. Moment of truth.
And it's the pizza.
It is. What? Oh, the one with the popcorn.
It's cute.
It's cute
It's
still.
cute.
It's cute still.
But
You're still a winner. You're still a winner. Well, after.
if you ever want to
Wow.
I didn't know you were supposed to do that. You
Gosh, look at our spread.
I got everything. Got everything.